everybody. Super windy day. It's I found myself, I had to come to my usual lake. As you can see, I got a tip up set up already and a couple hills drilled, or holes drilled. It's just so darn windy today. Anywhere else I wanted to go, I would have been right out in the wind, and you'll see once I get out of the little sheltered spot I'm in here that it's pretty nasty. I have to fight to work against the wind on the ice. I'm gonna double load this little rig, why not? All right. So anyway, we're out here looking for pike today, but this wind is gusting almost up to 100 at points, and it's slick as heck, as you can see. All the water I'm walking on, oh, and here I go getting pushed, and just got to kind of take it easy. Still a good 20 inches. But it is fun. Holy moly. There, got the wind at my back. Hopefully, I'll get something quite quickly. Just dropping this lure down to the bottom. Then I'll reel it up just a little bit and give her a tug up. Thinking that's it. Just do that. Bring it up just a little. Do just a little bit of jigging. I got to use the slush so I don't blow away on this ice. When I was walking back and setting up my tip up, it almost blew me away. I have no idea if we're going to catch any pike at all today. Just for the fact of how windy it is, the barometric pressure is going crazy. It has been for since sometime last evening, so they might not really be biting. But it's worth trying, guys. Absolutely worth trying. Holy. Let me turn around so you guys can hear this wind better. Of course, just so I gotta turn around, it dies down. But you can see by the trees just a rocking out there, and they're pretty empty for leaves and stuff, that it's good and windy. When a good gust comes up, you'll really be able to tell. Wow, guys, they're trying to blow me away. I'm having to use these two holes here to hurt myself. That's just so great. I've got to buy myself some ice cleats. Absolutely have to buy myself some ice cleats, guys. If I'm standing on the smooth ice and that wind picks up, it just wants to drag me along. It's that darn windy out. It's really nice out, but I had to bundle up anyway. Just at least my legs and everything, just to act like a windbreaker, because it's just so darn windy. It'd suck the heat right out of you if you didn't, right? Wow. Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna sit here and jig away and let that keep going. If I get a bite, I'll start recording again, guys. Guys, I did have one nibble. He scooped my bait, but I didn't get the hook set, so I just reloaded. And hopefully we'll get it again. So they are eating. Now it's just a matter of, will they eat that sardine, because that's a mighty big meal I got out there. If anybody's going to eat it, it's not going to be a small fish, tell you that much. Anyway, if I get a bite, guys, I will start recording. Flag up, guys, flag up. Second one. The first one broke off on me. The actual pivot itself on my connection broke off. I didn't get him. He got away. Do I still have my fishy? I do. He got off. It's all right. It's all right. We'll just re-rig and do it again. No big deal. We'll just do a little re-rig. he got off like pretty quick. Well, when I gave it the tug, I pulled it out of his mouth. Neither hook was in his mouth, right? That is that. Should do. Turn it around so that the wind's not blowing my flag up right away. All right, hopefully we get another bite, guys. My first one, I was just heading over to show you on the on my other tip up how he broke me off on the pivot, and check this out, the wind's blowing me, guys. It's windy out here today. Holy, absolutely windy. My buddy Sean came out to fish. I am recording, right? Yep, cool. Cool. Hopefully a flag goes off again. It is insanely windy, guys. Holy moly. Oh. So yeah, I had this tip up running, and as you can see right there, sticking out from my line is the last piece of my pivot. So I just hooked up my other tip up. I'm really glad I brought it. That goes off soon. I'll record again if it does, guys. All right, she's spinning, guys. She is, or she was anyway. I'm letting it take it this time because this is the third time I've had a pike take my lure, and I'm just kind of, I really want to get a bite. Look at that, I never even hooked him. He just didn't want to let go of the fish. What a guy. What a guy. No, I totally greedy, eh? He didn't want to let go. Didn't want to let go. I didn't even hook him. We will just resuspend our bait here. Here's hoping he's still around. Like I said, he may have felt a tug, but he didn't feel no hook, guys. Hey, Sean. I didn't even eat the tail. I pulled it out of his mouth. He didn't even have hook. I'm betting it was a smaller pike, and he probably had it by the midsection. back. Like I said, he didn't taste any hook. And suddenly the fish was pulled from his face. There it goes again. There it goes again. Am I still recording? Am I still recording? I am. He moved it a little and then he paused. We're gonna wait a second to see what happens here. Pretty sure I got him this time, guys. Just a little guy, as I suspected, everybody. Just gotta grab my pliers here so I can quickly unhook them. There you go, buddy. That was not an easy operation, my little friend. I'm very sorry about the teeny bit of blood I got you, but in you go now. That is one shredded piece of fish, guys. But that's one safely released pike. He bled a teeny bit. Not too happy about that, but it is what it is, everybody. I'm going to wind this back up, reload. Because I've got the peninsula here as a windbreak. I set my buddy Sean up over here, so I think I'm going to hit the same kind of area. Just put my tip up over him, over by him, sorted out. Man, I had him with both hooks. He was not getting away even slightly, and it was not an easy fight getting them off either. Darn wind. Don't know. We're watching to see if we get any movement on that. If not, then we know it was just the wind that set the tip up off. We'll give it a moment though. Don't think so, buddy. But if it goes off, you're the next on the tip up. Done, Sean. Well done. Huh? He hooked you too, eh? You got pliers too. I do not have jaw spreaders with me though, buddy. I found the easiest way is to just grip them by the jaw. Show off that fish, Sean. Oh, it's got some decent size to her too, eh? Nice, and off she goes. Good release, buddy. Good release. A little tiny drop of blood, but not so bad, my friend. Good job. Good job, yay! Ooh, can only do one more on the tip up. We can only do one more on the tip up. I took that leader over to the bucket. There's the hooks hanging on the bucket. I figured as much, buddy. I figured as much. All right, let's get this reloaded. Good job, man. Good job.
Felt him twerk, and I'm like,
Yeah.
yeah, I got him.
All right. Yeah, not too bad. That's, well, as you know, as you fish here all the time, that is kind of the average for this lake, right?
No 33 pounder, but
Yeah, well, yeah, no kidding. No kidding. Like I said, I've heard of a 20 pounder out of here. I've landed a 13 pounder. And that was maybe what, 5, 6, eh?
yeah.
Maybe. We could have waited, but brace myself in the slush. Dry your hands off. Dry fast. They cool faster, buddy.
They're dry and it's just cold.
Oh, yeah.
Bone and skin.
Hey, mine too, buddy.
That was a nice catch.
Now, if Dominic shows up in time, he can take a freaking pike on the tip up too. Alright. Yeah, I knew he was in the area. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. So that's why I'm like, yeah, you go ahead, hang. But yeah, I just put that there so you can easily just cut the line and take the leader. So we got one sardine there and I got one left here. And I do have more minnows if you want to use more minnow, right? Going again, buddy. And it's rotating. Nice. It's my last sardine. I didn't even get the chance to say, hey, I got a fish on. I was just pulling it up to check on my sardine. And this guy come along. Decent size, everybody. Ooh, and look at that. The boots down there, eh? Oh. Alrighty, let's release this guy. Get that out of the way. There you go, there you go, buddy. See you later. That was the last sardine. We're gonna have to try something else with this. Alright everybody, that was a fun time. We spent more time fighting the wind than we did fishing, but we did catch a couple of fish anyway. We were just getting pushed around on that ice. I don't know if you guys noticed during the video, if you watched my shadow at one point, my legs weren't moving, but I was sliding along. It was kind of fun. But yeah, pretty hard work to fight back against the wind. You know, you had to really plant yourself. Ended up digging just little minor divots in the ice here and there with my auger just to create some sort of purchase and everything. Still wasn't all that easy. I'm gonna have to buy a set of those ice cleats. Anyway guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with any friends that you know like fishing and stuff. See if they enjoy it too. You never know. Thanks for watching guys, and just remember, anytime's a good time to be outdoors and fishing.